You see, now God, we need to teach you a lot of things. How to remove, how to put them back. You get me? Because let's show say you never learn all these things. God, I bet you help us educate and how to remove and put them back.
Remove waiting. Remove
I don't know why now they laugh.
How to remove waiting?
I to remove and put them back.
Remove waiting.
You know, since I say me remove and put them back, you don't feel remove.
So you mean say the knows that how to remove her?
I want it. You don't fed one before. Like you now when they do it. Not that you go there remove and put them back.
Know how to. Now hand they use whole.
Now they talk. Okay, there was different. Now I said, lady mom, you said she was struggling. She never know where to hold.
She won't drag her anyhow. So you know that wire for get where they go press.
Yeah. So now as you go there, say you don't know. Put her, come on, put her. You
because the guy go take remove her now, you go injure.
You get
your mind dirty.
So
even detergent, no fit wash her.
Happy Valentine to everybody right now. I love the fact that we're all looking sweet. Godwin with Robo. Ishakiri outfit. I say, make Godwin tell me song where I go play for a make dance, give us, agree. Because when I dance, the energy, Sha.
The energy now.
You don't carry your handkerchief today. You don't carry
handkerchief there now.
Okay.
Some women they use handkerchief. The men are
the walking stick, right?
Stick,
Oh yeah, not below now women and women.
You go use that, then you go raise your shoulder.
You raise your shoulder. Now get pride. Now I thought I get pride. Where?
So we be prince and princesses.
Now there the pride they come from now.
So you have a worry prince in the
studio right now. Only with I did not. Now may you sell land for me right now without the proper documents.
Those land are politicians who want sell land for. Now them pay.
Now they pay.
You understand?
Okay, then we also get Lady J looking beautiful. Also, I think I don't first see this native before, but it looks a little bit different on you right now, and I love what I'm saying.
So, but the native don't really represent any particular tribe. Or now, so they dress for Jos.
No, I'm not sure. They cut one come up for Jos.
This one where I wear to no represent
This one now Yoruba. You go down to Yoruba get
because I tie gele.
Yeah, the gele show.
Okay, the gele show
and Yoruba. So almost Yoruba ni
swagger.
Okay, why you hold your headphone like that? Because you don't fit go on top the gele. The headphone don't fit on top gele.
You sure you don't try them?
No. You open and
you go need to open and wear.
See, if you break, if you cut.
I know, but I don't wear. I know they say another one for you, Sha. You
You open and wear.
You don't see the swag with the headphone and the gele together.
You express you go enter.
No, I didn't fear make it no go break.
It not go break. It's elastic. A little bit. You get me. But we are all looking sweet. Welcome.
R&B, which tribe you represent?
Right now, I know this one are more like now senator dress with this now. Now people.
You present politicians, right?
No, nah.
Now senator outfit you wear.
Oh yeah, senator. Kind of. Only say they are not the tight body like this one.
The senator where you represent, not be those Ahmed Lawan, the president. You represent the
junior senate,
the junior type. What's I be talking anyhow? Like the Gino. The Gino set of senators and the Obani Koro set of House of Rep. And those young guys will fire food.
Why see they vibrate up and down?
That type you represent. So.
Okay, so I was amazed at the gift when I believe so not be Lady J pick you. I know so.
No, not be Lady J pick.
So this one are just out of the heart gift.
Now one of the copper girls for downstairs when they serve with Ajia, that department, that copper girl.
Okay, now
tell me that she said she go see bring her for
the Alaja girl.
Yeah, the one where they change white paper up and down.
Okay.
So Lady J own gift right now is shocked me because I know especially Lady J will give you gift. I like her.
Lady J gave me. Send me to Mars.
So make you go Mars.
I give him leave
give me chocolate.
See colleague who I know they work with for like 3 years. One gift you not even bring.
You dey ungrateful. Your birthday she send you 50K. You dey here say the one gift she never give you.
That 50K see dey your mighty now. But wait, you never ask.
Hold on. Gift you give her for Valentine? You give Becca.
For Becca.
Nothing too.
I give her hug.
And I give you the hug.
I give her hug.
And I give you the hug. You don't even give me any hug, sir.
I don't give you hug.
You don't even give me any hug. Come and get that. You open your mouth. Talk somebody.
I give you hug.
You don't give me any hug. May come out.
Wait, see, you see this talk when Lady J come back. So you know, since when Becca give me that, it don't do Lady J, man. Lady J, they forget, say, before Becca fit do that, I don't do more than waiting. You don't forget. See,
whether
before you can receive, you need to
your point,
give.
R&B, you now your words, na hook you. You say, my colleague where I don't they work with for the past how many years, no even give me one thing.
I say Valentine gift.
No, you don't mention Valentine.
No, don't mention Valentine. No change.
Now you go to bring birthday of
yes,
last year.
Yes, I bring them up because
no be last year, January
which last year?
Last month.
Hey, R&B.
It don't say now.
Yeah, don't say Abi. Don't call it another one now. Oju kokoro.
Don't worry, your birthday they come. Becca will shock you. But you felt it to shock her first. Thank God say Becca birthday now they first confess. Becca, when's your birthday?
May 2nd.
If you show shit for Becca, like Becca will what?
So talking about, so my mama just sent message. She said she's listening to across. She said she won't hear the song when I go sing.
Yeah, because now Becca mama birthday today.
She not hear that first one when I
She
sing.
said she know they listen at that time.
Very painful, and I don't lost my voice. Hey, yeah.
People sing for me in this show.
Mommy will go sing for you because you know say you the cook special of father.
Yes, and even
Now mommy they cook better of father send give us so. Mommy, so on behalf of me, I myself and me, God will your adopted son. Mommy, you know I love you, right? Becca mama a very fine woman, fine mommy, intelligent, God-fearing.
No mungus mommy.
And anytime mommy call me in a prayer, anytime we talk about phone and prayer, so mommy, now we want to pray for you today. You go see 80,
Amen.
see 90. As long as you want, God will keep you in good health, sound mind, and of course, you go see all your grandchildren, great-grandchildren, more and more. Mommy will love you. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. Help us greet your Val, which is daddy. Give him a kiss from us too. Mommy, I they shop your Valentine. Let us know. What do you want shop for your birthday? Let us know. Maybe we'll fit.
We'll sponsor her.
Tell us what you want.
Hope your daughter don't activate you too, mommy.
No, I trust Becca. Becca go down.
Now allow you the license network get problem.
No, not be me. I not be Nigeria banks.
Mommy, send us message. What you want shop? But we'll activate.
We go sponsor her for you. Worry not.
We go contribute.
And Lady J will go top because Lady J is my mama favorite.
Yes, so Lady J, so do your shout outs.
Four of us. It's the my mama favorite.
Yeah.
Yes, now they always talk on her.
Okay. Maybe not because of the age bracket.
All I go talk now, I go do what I know best to do, and that I sing. The Lord bless you.
Amen.
And keep you.
Amen.
Make his face shine upon you.
Amen.
And be gracious to you.
Amen.
The Lord bless you. I don't forget the lyrics.
I don't sing song when I don't know the lyrics from.
I know the lyrics, but I don't forget. Don't fly come up from my mouth. I go do them again. No worry.
Again.
Eh?
Okay, you want to start
no,
again?
I go need to look at the lyrics while they sing.
She won't learn the song, but she won't sing.
I know the song. I don't do them already.
No, if you say one look the lyrics, you won't learn them back.
Now you sing the song originally.
No be me. No be my song. No, I will be
it
my
be like
song.
person who write for exam hall. They ask question, you know, say, okay, I for the call right there, say, I attended your lecture, sir. I just don't remember. So the lecturer I go call give you pass mark. I attended the lecture,
to the
sir.
best of us.
Change attendance in the same mark.
I remember the lyrics now. So I beg Becca do the video again. Me want me better.
She don't rehearse the lyrics.
I don't rehearse them.
Mona video Lady J.
All right. The Lord bless you and keep you.
Amen.
Make his face shine upon you.
Amen.
And be gracious to you.
Amen.
The Lord turn his face toward you. And give you peace.
Amen.
From the singing.
Now, one still no virgin voice. Yes, now.
I don't understand.
Like the voice, that's still virgin
So
voice.
Now, I don't be virgin voice. They don't release album.
You always like spoil my
I'm
market.
single.
You this boy.
Spoil my career,
You this
advertise you.
boy.
You know the
You always
voice.
spoil my
You
career.
know voice when never stress.
You always want to spoil my career. Whether
You
now
know
my
which
broadcast
career?
career, now my singing career, virgin voice.
No, but virgin voice.
Is that not a complimentary?
Good way to describe a voice. Say the voice still.
Why you dey always sing
It's still
negatively?
original. The voice never
Today is
stress.
Lovers
It's
Day.
still-
Love your-
The voice is still pure. You never.
That kind voice no dey
What's the meaning of
romantic.
virgin? Like it's fresh. Like it's still.
R&B,
it never stresses
R&B
it
today na
complete.
Valentine's Day. Lower this voice of yours. Which kind of generator voice
Sorry,
is
that's
this?
a virgin voice.
You
You are like her like that.
better.
Okay. You go say thank you.
Wahala.
Okay, so R&B, you don't give your own
I
message.
know you don't do
for
your
mommy.
I mean, when don't see.
You know sing.
Me when don't pray homo.
Nah, lie, you know sing.
I not sing.
You know sing. We are rap now, rap. Yeah.
It is well.
Rap. Give us a rap.
You need to better drop chorus now.
R&B, the way
Let me get down, give it to us.
R&B, when Becca say me rap, the way you say they shy. Are you in love with mommy? The way why R&B they shy. You they shy for mommy.
Oh my God.
No, we will perform it in a discreet place.
In a discreet waiting.
Discreet place.
Discreet place. With discreet.
Because our talent, we know the two line showcase of a public
And I want to show for April.
No, that is different.
What
That's
is the
comedy,
difference?
not music. Our voice is very, very somehow.
It's somehow.
And it's not up to 12 p.m. yet, so the full authenticity of the voice never come outside.
So you
for
saw
singing.
full moon. Now full moon. Your
Yes,
voice.
na my voice. But mommy, we love you. Happy
I
birthday
beg
to
you.
you.
I said a rap.
Happy birthday, Mama Rebecca Jari. Anyway, moving forward, Godwin. So the new cash, how accessible it is to
Now
you?
the 100K where somebody give me some almost like how many
New,
years ago?
all new cash.
All the new cash. No.
All na new.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
1,000 and 100,000.
Oh,
One of my
okay.
guys they work for bank. And I get.
Okay.
So you dey among the set of
Nah,
the
she
first
give.
people wey collect money.
No, nah. Now that time when this cash crunch start, my
Happen.
guy they work for
Now you
bank.
see they manage it now.
So, so now one I share give my wife. Now they money, now they spend. Most is why they do now transfer. And now when you don't tight, when we say maybe no transfer,
No transfer, miss up transfer.
If I want buy something, anything I want buy, we don't pass like 2K. I know if you give you cash.
But you don't ever
It must
use
be
the
transfer.
Naira. That Naira when they introduced like about a year
I
ago
don't
by
know anything about. I
CBN.
don't even remember saying that one there exists.
Because CBN they continuously encourage us say make that one an alternative. And since I don't go like I've not visited since that time when I download the app, you know it will let me pass through one stage like that. Now you're calling about
This
it.
will not be time where they're going to force everybody to do Naira because we already know say the networks they messed up. People they a lot. I get about 150,000 where they hang for banks where they don't tell me say it will take 5 working days, 7 working days, 10 working days. I never still see her up till now. You understand? By the way, when I wake up this morning, see one a lot of 120K. I say maybe that one of the 20K not come only for me to confirm and say that now our guy from Ilukpeju, Taiwo, we don't send the monthly 20K where they get motor drink water for across the bridge.
Thank you so much, Taiwo.
So,
Thank you. We love
the monthly
you.
20K when you don't send me that. So thank you very much,
We
Taiwo.
appreciate you.
We appreciate you.
Happy
and
Valentine.
everything. Happy Valentine to you too. He sent us on a special day for us to enjoy ourselves. So thank you very much, Taiwo. We appreciate
Why you they shake it?
Because we appreciate you sounded somehow.
No. We appreciate you now. Like how you want me to talk?
Why you they beat him now? That is domestic violence.
Don't do it. Becca not be
Taiwo,
like
thank
you.
you,
Today,
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much,
the water.
Taiwo. Thank you so
Taiwo.
much.
And if
Thank
he
you.
behave like Taiwo, maybe he
Be like Taiwo.
If he behave like Taiwo, so as if they listen to us now, your company brand, if you can't put sponsor on top across the bridge, the whole world,
Very
they listen,
important.
all Nigerians they listen to across the bridge like this time, now, so that you will get mileage. We go just talk about your product, they play your advert for you and all that. You understand? If now say you they sell phones and you just want to give us 4 phones more, they use the look ourselves when we they do across the bridge. Oh, join, bring your business and products are here. We are here for you.
We'll
You know,
deliver.
But
We'll
this
deliver.
morning when they come, you know say crowd for bank don't plenty pass cars with the queue for fuel.
I know now.
Yes, now.
I mean,
I don't.
it's
Yes.
terrible.
Because
You
even
know,
the
Now
banks
make
now,
some of the banks now they will open. Self.
sorry, even the filling station now, some people they talk so they know they even collect transfer again.
because
if
the-
you don't get cash, you no go allow you
Because they don't
enter.
even visit their money collect if you transfer. So.
Yeah.
And I don't discover one thing now. Most of the malls, if you go there,
Shopping malls.
shopping malls, if you,
Okay.
once you go there now, you buy something. Like today now, I go buy something. I can't say, okay, cash, they say new one. Now I can't see notice, say they know they collect old notes. So if you go give them cash, it has to be new notes. Now I can tell them, say, una they demand for new notes. Don't forget, say, even the POS wey they use, no be every time they see these new notes collect.
Collect.
So they make them difficult. So if you don't get card, you don't get transfer, you don't fit buy anything.
Okay, Godwin. When last you hear say kidnapping happen?
You
Or
don't
bandits
tell.
kidnap?
You don't take.
You
Yeah,
know,
what
when,
people
when,
got currency.
when last you hear about headsmen and all those things?
You
Yes.
don't take too.
So somebody say, I think Kidon gets network. He say, I just say make a drop one observation. Maybe if he has listener tomorrow. Una notice say we know the 2-year bandits and bandits since when this new Naira policy starts. You see say Buhari and Emefiele sabi wetin that they do. No cash for ransom and gay. Everywhere don't cool down for that aspect. So all these airlines when they complain, now then be our problem. It don't reach the one where I fed them now that they cry up and down. God they make CBN just they try monitor the withdrawal for bank. If you watch where you will hear the say G's around you. But let's be sincere. when last year say they really kidnapped
But you know, so no,
since December.
But you know, say even this, apart from the one happened for that train for those.
Yes, no, that one don't
You know,
happen.
before that time itself, it don't reduce well. Before this new Naira policy, and I believe that the reason are because their sponsors they contest election.
So they pay attention to other things.
Yeah, they mobilize them to help them organize rally and all those things.
So all this bandit and propaganda, all of them.
They don't need the distraction of all those things first. Help me win election first. You know, say one Northern governor we don't talk before. Say some of these bandits and all those now people where some politicians don't use. When they use, they abandon them. Finish. When they go win election, they abandon them. And those one that make Boko Haram start in the first place. Say that politicians will use them. So when election don't they come like this, if you notice, all those things they reduce because they need manpower to do leg work and all those things. They need those.
So you try to now say bandit don't drop their guns first.
Their sponsors they concentrate on winning election now first. You understand? So they go
what if really saying that this new Naira design
if you follow,
look and where.
No, if you follow, but if you notice, if you check, apart from that, that's what they were for December. Before then, the thing don't reduce well because since campaign starts and all those primaries and all those
you
go
no
find
more
out say
kidnap.
the real sponsors of this evil. They go dead all they go they shared maybe in different parties where they look for.
So now we they do ourselves last.
Before God, those people get sponsored. You just said I want where bandit go see AK-47.
7 carry by.
Who get connection to bring AK-47 into
Enter
the country. Pass border and they no go.
When they no go
poor man
notice.
no fit now. No be poor man. Just like they talk about people they steal Nigeria oil. Poor man feel afford vessel. No,
and even when you even kidnap person now, say where the person want seek new money.
You understand all those kind
give.
of things. So that is why you go. I mean, you know, you have the story that time we be saying bandits stay for road. People they travel for that major good. They give them.
Then they give the old Naira notes.
When they take to a transfer.
Because it don't set for them.
Exactly. Shebi we hear Buba Galadima where they talk say one northern politician, one governor gets 22 billion cash where he put for inside house.
Hey.
Say the security agencies no. Till now we don't know why the security agencies never go carry Buba Galadima. We got tell us who be the person. We go arrest her because now money laundering. He just talk and say the person get 22 billion cash for your house. And the security agencies know, and then they protect the person. Now, waiting the man talk. They on all the networks and everything. Nobody they do anything. So
there's a lot to this, though.
Now, why that
the
people talk say he don't fulfill everything when he promise Nigeria.
Promise us.
Say at least.
Because what NI enough you do in the area of bandits. Now this Naira note be like say they do right now.
Yeah.
You remember how they take push out? NI we stop bandit. We monitor their account. But everybody runs go do anything now.
Nothing.
They can't kidnap until this new Naira note right now. You get me? But my own partner say now the way they affect the common man when not supposed really affect. And I think that they probably do so that because the common man voice now the last pass of time. They'll come to like say they fight for the common man.
The major problem are the banks and their organs.
No, some of them say not be their fault.
On Sunday I talked to one guy they work for bank. He said that their organs will be the problem because their organs. Now in those men, he said.
Now in those men get their
give me an
number.
example. Say you be bank manager, person will get 100 million for your account. Come call you say.
I need so cash.
You go say no.
No, now you go close the account. You don't wreck.
Yeah. You need to explain to headquarters.
Say how manage it happen.
Ordinary poor people like us.
How much we get for account?
If you go banks and say go they make noise say I want close my account.
They go tell you close your account.
Yes. No, they go beg you. The best of banks they go beg you. So please don't.
People like you. People like you. No adults there.
All of us.
Brother,
can't imagine somebody will get 1 billion for the bank or 500 million.
Now they go make us priority.
Carry the new cash going.
Go here. Sir, we have the new cash. So
the guy talk I'm saying now they are or gas. They carry the money, go give those men because they don't want me those men.
And I think
from the
right now
that's why they are available for the poor masses to use.
They are gonna exhaust that new cash. Then they're not gonna get new money again. And that's why they call the 4 million and say we are not to be blamed. This and that. And I don't know how CBN.
Even the time he say even him when they work for bank,
yeah,
going to the head office, say for him to get money, he go call in colleague with the branch.
Yeah.
And go come because as they go put them for ATM. Now I'm going to make sure say it be first of the people that are using card withdraw 20k and a minimum 20k and that be the limit. Go withdraw 20k keep for them to fee get. So I'm going to tell him colleague early. I want money tomorrow. So early morning as they load and put that one go just using card. As you don't load and go outside help and withdraw the 20,000. Keep for somebody they work for bank. Come be me and you when they work for bank.
You know, Pastor Nick they talk on. I listen to her when she they talk and she say her mama go bank. She said, just 20,000 her mama wants. Say she go bank, now the bank tell am say sorry, we no fit give you anything less than 2,000 naira.
Because they try make it reach everybody tongue.
Yes. They give them for bank.
Wetin 2K one.
Wetin want 2K one.
2K.
Last week I dey bank. Now one woman they para say how much be gas. Say now wetin she want, wetin 5,000 want take do for am. Say now only 5K they pay.
You see that party where that woman they spray her own money.
Yeah, when did they do transfer?
No, she dey spray. The people that dance for
print
wedding.
her own money,
But
they'll call the transfer. They go no for you to get that paper. You go transfer the money when you want.
Give you the fake money. You go
I think that's a good initiative, but I dey wonder must he spray?
Now fake money.
Eh?
Yeah, na paper
Na
wey
paper
they
dem
print
print
money
woman
out.
head and everything, but you go
Okay.
transfer money. They
So
go
if
give
you want
paper,
spray 50,000 now,
come be like
you
say
transfer
spray.
50,000 into her
her
account. They'll
account.
come give you the paper. You can't go spray because now spray you want spray.
because
Spray
a lot
paper.
of people wey get wedding and birthdays don dey already think say how people go fit
Spray
spray
because
their
na way of
wedding.
making money be that. You get, but it is where everybody go do alright last.
We go there alright last. Well, on the lighter note, this thing remind me of wetin Sheyi Law talk. He say he oga go party and they spray am money and the thing be like dollar. So when one of in workers come meet am, now he come tell am say, my life don change today, oh, my life don change today. See any amount wey you want make I increase your salary, just talk am because na dollars then they spray me. Now the worker tell am say, oga wait first, make I go check. Now the worker dance, he can't check the money. Say, oga, no be dollar, oh. Now brand new 5 naira, now they spray you. That's what the oga pass out. That's not the end of the party. Because it is a dollar, but now 5 naira. I say for people say wicked. Oh. So of all things now, you there's now 5 naira now you see to spray on top person. Didn't come brand new again. Mint. Oh God.
Okay. All right. Maybe they go.
Maybe they go.
Now time for
We don't finish.
We don't finish now. 11:31.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.